So guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am at the Patnam beach. So today I am going to show you the beach shacks which are there on the beach, on Patnam beach. I'll show you the shacks and restaurants which are there on Patnam beach. So these are all the shacks. Name of this shack is Bridge and Tunnel Beach Cottages and Restaurant. Bridge and Tunnel. They are having some beach beds also, and these are wooden cottages. They charge around 2000 rupees per day, depending upon the season, off season or on season. So these are the shacks. I'll show you all the shacks which are on the beach today in this video, so you stay tuned. So there you can see some more shacks. Here on my left hand side you can see the beach, the Patnam beach, and on my right hand side you can see the shacks. This shack which you can see is called Mountain Palms Restaurant. This is a restaurant cum shacks. And in Goa, on such beaches, the restaurant or shacks which are there, so they have some wooden cottages also which they give for rent. So they have a restaurant and they have wooden cottages, so you can stay over there and eat in the restaurant. So they charge around 2000 to 2500 per day. So the next restaurant is Seafront Beach Huts. This is the restaurant which you are seeing right now, Seafront Beach Huts. This shack is closed for the season. And let us see the next shack. Which one is the next shack? You can see the beach from here with a nice view I'm getting from here. See, such a nice view. The sun is about to set into the sea, and the next shack is next restaurant is Nirvana Cafe Bar and Restaurant, Om Sai Parvati Huts Nirvana Cafe. So this is the next shack. You can see one doggy is over here, doggy, and one boat. The next shack which we have is Round Cube. The Round Cube is the next shack, and next to Round Cube is Om Shanti Restaurant, Om Shanti Restaurant, and this is the Round Cube. Goa is a really beautiful place. Each and every part is beautiful. It has something for everybody. If you want a dance party, if you want a trance If you are into all those things, you go to North Goa and you'll get a lot of it. This next one doggy is over here. The next shack is Tantra Cafe. You can see Tantra Cafe. So what I was saying, Goa has something for everyone. So if you want peace and isolation, you come to South Goa. Only people who like peaceful atmosphere, they come over here. These are all the shacks. Casa Fiesta. Namaste. Casa Fiesta, Namaste. These are all the shacks. Shiva's place. This is the next restaurant, and it's next to Hare Rama restaurant. Hare Rama. So this is the Hare Rama restaurant. So you see, Goa is a very beautiful place. Everybody should come over here and enjoy this place. And this is the Hare Rama restaurant. You can see right now these restaurants are empty, but at night many people come over here for dinner. So it's like that. So Goa is a very nice place. Everybody should come over here at least once to enjoy the positive vibe over here. This is a restaurant called Home Patnam. There is one beach dog has come for photo session. So everybody should come over here and enjoy. So सबको यहाँ पे एक बार तो आना चाहिए और एंजॉय करना चाहिए. गोवा बहुत अच्छी जगह है, बहुत सुंदर जगह है, उसको देखना चाहिए. तो गोवा आप लोग आएंगे तो एंजॉय करेंगे. Again, it depends upon your taste. If you are more into dance and parties and all that, you go to North Goa. And if you are a peace loving man, then you come to South Goa. It's like that. If you are into dance and party, and if you come to South Goa, you are wasting your time. Samjhe? And if you love peaceful atmosphere and you go to North Goa, then also you are wasting your time. So choose the beach according to your taste and mood, because each beach in Goa has a different vibe. This is another restaurant. It's called Salida del Sol restaurant. It's next to Cuba restaurant. So do Google search. You can check my videos. I've made videos of many beaches of Goa, so you can check my videos, or you can comment me If you want to know something about Goa, you can write it down in the comment. I'll reply you. I've been to each and every beach of Goa, so I know all the beaches. If you want any information extra which you cannot find anywhere else, you can mention in the comment and I'll answer it. This is Mickey Naughty Corner. This is again a restaurant. See, sun is going down into the sea. When you come to Goa, you get a positive vibe. You lose all the tensions which you have in your mind, and you get peace in your mind when you come to Goa. So it's like that. Positive vibe is very important, and you get a lot of it over here. So these are some cottages. It's called wooden cottages, Nada Brahma. These are the beach beds. So guys,